submit it in this week. Can you do it?
Okay, ma'am.
Try to do, okay? Otherwise, we'll see. And at the time of Viva, you tell me. I will. You can read your dialogues, okay? And I'll not cut your marks then.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Vidhi, Vidhi, Jimmy, Shrey, Harshit, Alpesh, Harvijay Singh, Vivek,
Yes, ma'am.
Ash-
Present, ma'am.
Vivek. Dialogues you have read, right? Ashwa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that was Vivek Shah.
Huh, this is Vivek Shah. Yes,
I am Vivek Sagar.
Vivek Sagar. What is your enrollment number?
184.
180.
4.
Mm-hmm. Vivek Sagar, it means you have not elected the subject in this list. You are not there. 1 minute. Hmm. 184. Vivek Sagar. Oh yes, yes, yes. Vivek, you have to read out loud your situation. You got situation number 7.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start directly with dialogue?
Just a minute, Vivek. Let me take that. Complete the attendance till your number.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Alpesh absent. Harvijay Singh. Vivek Shah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are present. Ishwa absent. Akash. Kevil. Komal. Jenish. Yogiraj Singh. Chirag. Vatsal. Vivek Sagar. Vivek, now read your dialogues. Vivek Sagar, first read your situation and then read your dialogues.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second. Situation number 7A, 7B.
Hmm.
7A. You want to stay at Spring Waters Hotel in Hawaii for next holiday. Before you make a booking, you want to ask the hotels for some question information. You need to find out these things. Are pets okay? Is there a special price for families? What sports can you play? Is there weather good in September? Telephone the hotel to find out the answers to your questions.
Hmm.
7B. You work in reception of Springwater Hotels in Hawaii. You answer telephone inquiries from clients about the hotel. Answer the telephone. You need the following information. No pets allowed. There are special family discount prices. You have football and swimming, tennis and water sports. The weather in September is warm but windy. Okay. So the dialogue. Uh, Receptionist. Good morning. Welcome to Spring Waters Hotel. How may I help you?
Hmm.
Customer. Good morning. I was planning on visiting in Hawaii. and make a stay at your hotel. So I had some queries, if you could clear it. Receptionist, for sure, sir. What are your queries? Customer, I wanted to know if pets are allowed at your hotel.
Hmm.
Receptionist, I am afraid, sir, pets are not allowed in our hotel. Customer, is there any special price for family visits? Receptionist, there are special family discounts if you want to enjoy the benefits. It's available for next 2 weeks. If you book your visit within these 2 weeks, there is 15% discount per head. Plus, you can have a private villa for your stay. Customer, that's great. Are there any sports facilities available? Receptionist, yes, we have some sports facilities such as football, swimming, tennis, and other water sports. Customer, okay. So I was planning to visit in September. So how would be the weather in September? Will it be good? Will it be suitable for visiting? Receptionist, the weather would be warm and sunny, but a little windy. It wouldn't be a problem. I can arrange receptionist. If you want more information, I can arrange a catalog for you to have more details about our hotel. Customer, sure. Thank you. Reception, receptionist, thank you for calling at Springwater Hotel. Have a nice day, sir. Customer, thank you. You
Very
too.
nice. I'm really happy with the dialogues. And I like
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
use of the phrases that you have done that we learnt in the class. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yash Galani, Janki,
Um,
okay. Vishal,
yes, present.
Janki present. Vishal, Kashyap, Hardik, Raj, Dhruva, Yash.
Present, madam.
Who is this?
Raj.
Raj. Yours was situation number 8. Read your dialogues.
Yes. Sahil, hello, Zahira. Zahira, hi. Are you free on Saturday evening? Zahira, yes.
Situation.
Oh, yeah,
First, you have
why?
to read the
Sahil, I would.
situation. Yes, read the
What?
situation first. Read the situation first. Raj, Raj Rathod, okay, Dhruva, Yash, Sagar, Baudik, Neha, Dharmik, Mahipal Singh, Chirag, Rohan, Preet, Meet, Pooja, Om. Very nice. However, most of the students like they don't have any concern about doing their assignment. So you will all get minimum marks in these assignments except those who have read the situation in the class. Joy Patani, you are saying hello, Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Raj, you have to read the situation first, better. Yash Gosra, Raj, sorry, not Raj, Jai, Patani, all these students, you just don't type your
Yes,
SI
ma'am.
number at the time of attendance, you have to speak. And Jai, what about reading your situation? I mean, dialogues?
वो सबमिट कर देते हैं।
Huh?
सबमिट करना है ना।
Submit bhi karna hai and you have to read it right now. If you don't read, you will get minimum marks. Okay, Raj, please read your dialogues now. Raj, yes, Komal, what is your number? See, class, if you want to read, this is only your chance. This is the only lecture. In every lecture, I'm not going to do this. I had given you the assignment 1 week before. Even yesterday, you did not read. I said you please read it tomorrow. All you have to do is just read situation. If you even can't do that, I cannot give you marks. This assignment has 20 marks. And if you don't read it, I'll only give you 8, that is passing marks.
मैम
Hello?
मैम आपने मेरा नाम लिया अटेंडेंस में
Neville, what is your number?
134
See, only submission is not going to do. You have to read the situation in the class.
मैम मैंने कर लिया था
हाँ.
कल मैंने रीड किया था
Just a minute, better. Yes,
मेरी
Neville, you are.
सिचुएशन 3 थी
Yes, you are present.
मैंने कल रीड कर लिया आज आपने नाम नहीं लिया
It's your marks. And why, when I checked the attendance, many people were not there?
I was here from the start from the beginning ma'am
I didn't take your name?
no ma'am
Okay.
maybe I missed it I don't know
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, you haven't taken my name too.
Okay, what is the number?
4010. It's from different series.
Just a minute. Yes. Did I write your name manually?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakina, right?
Yes.
મેમ મારું બી નથી આવ્યું આજે નામ
Just a second. Better. Yes, Mayank, ne?
યસ મેમ
Yes, Mayank and Sakina are present. Okay, both of you are present, right? Sakina and Mayank, can you read the situation?
મેમ કાલે મારું
Huh?
મેં કાલે રીડ કરી હતી કાલે
Mayank Mehta. Mayank, why I have not given you marks?
આઈ ડોન્ટ નો મેં કાલે રીડ કર્યું હતું
Mayank, can you read it again?
યસ મેમ
Yes, Beta, please. Yours was situation 7?
યસ મેમ 7
Okay, just read it again.
હા 1 મિનિટ Customer. Hello. Receptionist. Spring Water Hotel. How can I help you? Customer. I am planning to stay next holiday over there, so I have some questions to ask. Receptionist. Okay, what are the questions? I make you help as possible as I can. Customer. Pets are okay to bring with us. Receptionist. Sorry for your inconvenience, but pets are not allowed. Customer. Okay, no problem. Is there any special offer and facilities for family? Receptionist. Yes, we have special villa for families and now for early booking 35% off offer is going on. Customer. Okay, great. Is there a facility for any sports? Receptionist. Yes, we have area to play football, tennis, also swimming pool and water slides. Customer. I am planning to come next. Planning to come near about September. So how's the weather will be there? Receptionist. Weather is quite warm but windy, so you will enjoy. Customer. As soon as our plan has been decided, we will come back to you. Receptionist. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Mayank, thank you for reading them again. There are a few mistakes over there. There are some grammatical mistakes. Otherwise, it is very nice. You can say, like, how is the weather now? Right? So it's a question. How is the weather now? And how may I help you? Or I'll help you in a best possible manner. So there are some grammatical mistakes. Otherwise, it's okay. Thank you for reading it aloud. Sakina, have you worked on your dialogues?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, can you read them aloud here?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
What was the situation number?
1A.
Okay,
Actually,
one.
you didn't give me any
Give
situation,
the
so I
situation
took it
ID.
randomly.
Yes, yes. Even those who are absent, see, those who I have not given the situation, now you take any situation, but do the work. That is very important. Yes, Sakina, please read aloud.
Ma'am, can I read the situation or directly to the dialogues?
No, you have to first read the situation.
Okay. You need to telephone your doctor. You have an appointment on Tuesday the 3rd at 16:45, but you need to change it to Thursday the 5th at 15. On Monday 9th you are busy all day, but Tuesday 10th you have a free day. Telephone the doctor's clinic and speak to the receptionist. Make a new appointment.
Good. Go ahead
Shall I
now.
read the dialogues now?
Yes, yes, better.
Receptionist. Good morning, Dr. John Dental Clinic. This is Ria. How can I help you? Me. Hi, this is Sakina Makda. I have an appointment with Dr. John on Tuesday the 3rd at 16:45. I have just been told that I have to attend a meeting at my office tomorrow and there is no way out. I am afraid I need to reschedule. Receptionist. Well, hi Sakina. Thank you for calling us and for giving us as much notice as you could. I understand. Me. Can you reschedule the appointment to Thursday the 5th at 15 if it is possible? Receptionist. I am afraid your appointment can't be forwarded to Thursday, referring to Dr. John's schedule. I can certainly work on moving your appointment forward to next week. Me. Surely, I have a free day Tuesday 10th. Receptionist. If you can give us 48 hours to change this appointment to your given. Me. I will. This tooth is driving me crazy. But so is my boss. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. And thank you for reading this aloud in the class because it was such a nice conversation. There are no errors and it is beautifully written dialogues. Thank you, Sakina.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, see, there are people who have written numbers in the attendance. Janki, but where were you, beta, when I took the attendance? Yeah, Janki, I marked your present. Yes, you said, right? Komal, I marked your present. Jai, I will mark your present. Yash Gosara. Where is Yash Gosara? Okay. Now you may volunteer if you have to. Neha. Neha, would you see submission you have to do, it is must. If you don't submit, you will get 0 mark in this component. Okay. But if you read it in the class, you will get marks out of 20. If you don't read it, you will just get passing mark, which is 8. Do you understand? So you have only this lecture to read your conversation. If you have submitted, that's great. but you have to read it to get the full marks. So those who want to read can raise your hand now. Otherwise, this is the last lecture. From the next week onwards, I'm going to start a new topic, and I'm sorry, you will not get chance to read the situation again.
मैम मैंने कल रीड कर लिया था.
Yes, if you have read yesterday, no problem. I have given marks. What
Okay,
is?
ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Dhruvi, yes, you did it. I know. Neha? Neha? Okay, see, those who don't want, if you don't want to read the situation, that's all, then I cannot insist you, right? And I will not give you even marks if you don't read the situation and dialogues in the class. You have to, ideally, you are supposed to do the role play. Now, since we have online classes, you cannot do the role play, but at least you have to read the conversation that you have written. That much minimum you have to do in order to get marks. Okay, then I've taken the attendance, and if you don't want to read them, these 2 sessions I had decided planned for your assignment. Now it is up to you. Everybody will get minimum marks, which is 8. Those who have read the dialogues aloud in the class, they will get marks out of 20. Okay? You don't have any problem, right? તમને લોકોને આમાં કાંઈ વાંધો નથી? Okay, fine then. Why should I waste your time and my time both? Right? You may leave the session. Let us end today's session. Thank you for joining. Right? See you in the next week, Monday, with a new topic, and I'll give you one more new assignment. I'll again give 1 week's time for submission. Those who submit on time will get the full marks. Those who don't submit on time and don't do it up to the mark will be, I'll return the assignment. Again, I am going to still see whatever dialogues you have written. That dialogues also I'm going to check, and if they are not at all acceptable, I'll return them. In that case, you will get 0 marks. If they are acceptable, you will get minimum marks. But if they are acceptable and you have read it in the class, then you will get marks out of 20. Okay, thank you for joining today's session. You may leave the session now.
Hello, ma'am. I am present.
Chirag. Who is this? Chirag, number bolo.
168.
And what about your dialogues?
10B.
હા પણ એમ નહીં, તમે વાંચ્યા કેમ નહીં ક્લાસમાં?
क्लास में मैम 2 चिराग इसीलिए कौन से चिराग को आपको बोला है पता नहीं था.
I still have time, Chirag. You can still read.
Now I read.
Yeah, you can read.
Mechanic. Hi,
I'm
I'm
all
the
for
mechanic.
that. I have time till. Huh?
मैम बोलूं?
Read the situation number 10 and then read the dialogues. I have time till 9:50. This is your time.
Your work is a special garage as a mechanic. Your job is to repair sports car.
Hmm.
Mechanic. Hi, I am the mechanic. How may I help you? John. I am John. My car doesn't declare it on the time whenever I supply the brake. I almost had an accident the other day. Mechanic. Just look like the brake is failing. John. Yes, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
The brake pedal also feel legs whenever I press it. Mechanic. When last did you check your brake fluid? John. I am not sure. I usually don't have time to do all this. Mechanic. Let me take a look. It is please. Can you please open your bonnet? John.
Hmm.
Okay. You may go ahead, mechanic. Your brake fluid is low. I checked and found there's not a leaking. So all we have to do is refill your brake fluid and your brake will start working perfectly. John. Okay. Please go ahead. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Chirag, some error like sentence construction, like sentence needs to be arranged correctly. I found few errors of the arrangement of sentence. Other than that, content is very much appropriate and overall it is good. But there are few errors of grammar and the arrangement of sentence can be redone. Okay. Anyone else would like to read the dialogues? Okay, thank you. Then you may leave the session. Yeah, please read your dialogues.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashwa, wait a minute. What is your number?
1 to 9.
And where were you when I was taking attendance?
Ma'am, I was not here, so I just got here right now. I had done assignment.
Don't you think you have to be on time in the class?
Yes, yes, I'm sorry for today.
Okay, yes, please read your dialogues. What is your situation?
3A.
Okay, okay. Yes, please read them.
Okay, so I'm starting from dialogue only.
Yes, yes.
Customer. Hey, am I speaking to the representative of the flower shop? The representative. How may I help you? Customer. I have some, no, sorry. Do you have some fresh flowers? Representative. Oh, yeah. Which type of flowers do you want? Customer. Great. You have such a nice collection of. No, do you have a nice collection of flowers? But I want that kind of flowers which I can give to beautiful married couple for the anniversary. Representative. Yes, sure. I will suggest you to buy some good red flowers like roses. Customer. Okay, thank you. I think you are right. But can you please deliver these roses to their house only? Representative. Okay, sure. I will send them to the address you will tell me. Customer. Thank you. And
Very nice. Yes, yes.
customer, please deliver the bouquet. And one more request, can you please put some greetings card for them? And the customer, thank you.
Okay, very nice, Ashwa. Thank you for doing this work. There are no errors and it is done nicely.
Thank you, ma'am. I
Yeah.
have not submitted
Uh,
in the classroom, so
classroom.
I
Please
will.
do it. It is inevitable for everybody to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you're welcome.